Oh hey, I didn't see you there. This is Eddie Krish at Scott Savage Prosthetics and Research in Dallas. Today we're going to be going over when you need new liners, sleeves, and socks. For a comfortable fitting prosthesis, we need to make sure that these supplies are always in mint condition. First, we're going to go over our liner. As you can see here, this liner has a lot of slits in it because it's been worn a lot. And if it has this big opening at the front, that could lead to a lot of prosthetic problems, and we don't want that. We want to make sure that you're nice and comfortable. One of the biggest things for suction suspension is to make sure that our sleeves are always in good condition. As you can see here, the sleeve looks pretty good, but when we extend it out a little bit, we can see that there's holes, and that will make sure that we lose suspension, and we do not need that. Our last thing is our socks. These are old reliables that can last a long time, but if they start to get too worn out this way or start to have holes, they're not going to be helping you to make that pristine prosthetic fit. So give us a call at Scott Savage Prosthetics and Research. We're still open and ready to help you.